everyone, welcome to Styx Media. This week we've got a unboxing video. I know I said I'm trying to do less of these, but this one's special. So we're doing the unboxing of the Flame Toys Snake Eyes from G.I. Joe. Snake Eyes was always my favorite character in the show. I never really watched a lot of G.I. Joe, but I always liked Snake Eyes. So we're going to do an unboxing of it and see what's inside there. And then we'll do some final thoughts. And yeah, so hope you enjoy the video. Be sure to like, subscribe, all that fun stuff, comment, all that fun stuff. And let's get right into the video. Alright, let's look at the box art now. See if I can zoom that in. Zoom that in just a little bit more. Really awesome box art on this. This is actually what caught my eye when I saw it in GameStop, formerly known as EB Games. The box art is what caught my eye. Like really cool action pose of him with the two swords, and he's got his full kit, explosions all around him. Really awesome looking. On the sides here, so that's just the, sorry about the glare, it's the finish on this box. So I know it's hard to see, but that's basically just the Snake Eyes without all his attachments. There's the attachments, and then that's what it looks like when it's all said and done. So on the side here, just a slimmed down version of the top of the box, and on here, just an unpainted kit, some basic action poses, running pose, which, well, obviously I need a stand. So this is a painted kit, but still some pretty cool action poses there. And then on the side here, it's just a blank face. But next we will open it up and see what we've got inside there, and go from there. Alright, let's see what we've got in here. Interesting. Okay, so that is all his hands. So all his hands, his shoulders, the kit belt, that looks like magazines, well, that's bandolier, his belt, his harness, all that are PVC pieces. That's interesting. The instruction manual, which let's get that out so we can take a quick look at that. So yeah, really awesome looking instruction manual. So yeah, it looks like a pretty easy basic kit, so there's not much to it. Yeah, that shows putting all the attachments on it. Yeah, that's not much to that. Gotta love these all black kits. So there's a chest piece, some waist pieces, it looks like abs right there, legs and arms. Yeah, it looks like there's only, what, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 runners? Wow. So that looks like all connections. Some neck or something connections there. His visor looks like a kukri knife. Yeah, not much to this. Wow. I would think that there would be a lot more to this kit, but apparently not. So yeah, that's the Snake Eyes kit. There's not much to it. Like, I look forward to building it. Probably won't take very long to build, but yeah, I'm surprised that there's not much to it. Like, actually, I come to think about it, was there even swords in there? Was there even his swords? Oh yeah, there they are. Oh, and they've got a black handle. Oh, cool. So I guess I could paint the, and it's got the hilts, or the hilt and handle for in his back. Okay, so that's something different. Yeah, like, and I just noticed this. All the packages are sticker sealed. So there's no, yeah, you're not pulling them apart and throwing them. You could possibly reuse them, but I wouldn't. But yeah, there's not much to that kit. It's almost like Flame Toys Furai Model. It's almost like they simplified it, maybe. Maybe because of the age group of, like, for G.I. Joe, and I believe there's Transformers. Maybe because they it's for a younger audience. I don't know. But parts runners, only 7 parts runners. Looks like it's pretty simple. Won't take that long for more experienced builders, but it looks like it'll be awesome when it's built. So yeah, again, if you like this video and you want to see more videos of this, there is tons of unboxing videos on my channel. Go check them out. Be sure to like, subscribe, comment, all that fun stuff. The more you do, the more it lets YouTube know that these videos are worth watching. So yeah, we'll see you in the next one.